Dixie horns are a unique addition to any truck, providing that nostalgic, distinctive sound that was made famous by the Dukes of Hazzard. Whether you're looking to give your truck a bit of southern charm or simply want to stand out on the road, a Dixie horn can be the perfect modification. They offer a classic melody and provide both a functional and fun experience for drivers. Number 1. Super Loud 12V Musical Dixie Horn Kit. The Super Loud 12V Musical Dixie Horn Kit is a highly popular choice among truck owners who want to install a Dixie horn that captures the essence of southern charm with an impressive volume. This horn kit produces the traditional Dixie tune and comes with everything needed for installation. The kit includes 5 trumpet-style horns, making it a complete package that offers a full-bodied sound. It's designed for use with any 12V vehicle system, which makes it a versatile option for trucks, cars, and even ATVs. The installation process is relatively straightforward, with clear instructions provided, making it a great choice for both novices and seasoned modders. Once installed, the Super Loud 12V Musical Dixie Horn Kit will deliver that famous tune at a high decibel level, ensuring you grab attention every time you press the button. In terms of durability, the horns are crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring long-term performance even under heavy use. The set also comes with a compressor, adding extra power to ensure the tune is loud and clear. This product delivers a powerful, nostalgic sound that will make your truck stand out wherever you go. Key features: 5 trumpet design. The horn set includes 5 durable trumpets that produce a rich, full sound. 12V compatibility works perfectly with any 12V truck or vehicle. Easy installation, comes with installation hardware and clear instructions. Durable construction, made from high-quality materials that ensure longevity. Loud and clear, powered by an air compressor to ensure the sound is strong and resonates clearly. Number 2. Olo 519 Bad Boy Dixie Musical Horn. The Wolo 519 Bad Boy Dixie Musical Horn is a high-performance, high-decibel horn designed to replicate the classic Dixie melody in a compact package. Unlike traditional trumpet-based kits, the Wolo 519 uses an integrated horn and compressor design, making it one of the most convenient Dixie horns to install. This is a great choice if you're looking for something that doesn't take up much space, but still delivers the iconic Dixie sound. One of the most attractive features of this horn is its ease of use. It comes with a plug-and-play wiring harness, making installation simple and quick. The design also allows for universal mounting, so whether you drive a truck, SUV, or car, this Dixie horn can fit your needs. The compact size does not compromise the horn sound quality, as the Wolo 519 offers a loud and crisp rendition of the famous tune. Built with longevity in mind, the Wolo 519 Bad Boy horn is made from durable materials that can withstand the rigors of daily use and exposure to the elements. The integrated air compressor ensures the sound is delivered loud and clear, making it a solid option for any truck enthusiast looking for a fun and practical upgrade. Key features: compact design, integrated horn and compressor design makes it easy to install and space-saving. Plug-and-play wiring, quick installation with included wiring harness. Universal fit, suitable for most trucks, cars, and SUVs. Durable build, designed to withstand weather conditions and heavy usage. High decibel output, loud and clear sound despite the compact size. Number 3. Fiam Dixie Air Horn Kit. The Fiam Dixie Air Horn Kit is one of the top options for truck enthusiasts looking to add a classic touch to their vehicles. Known for producing quality automotive horns, Fiam has developed a Dixie horn that perfectly captures the spirit of the South. This kit comes complete with everything you need for installation, including 5 separate trumpets that deliver a crisp and authentic rendition of the famous Dixie's tune. This Dixie horn set is designed for easy installation and comes with a 12V compressor that powers the trumpets. The powerful compressor ensures that the sound is loud and consistent, making it a great option for anyone looking to grab attention on the road. The kit is made from high-quality, durable materials, designed to stand up to the elements and ensure long-term use. The Fiam Dixie Air Horn Kit is especially popular for its reliability and ease of use. It's compatible with most trucks and other vehicles, and the included installation hardware makes the process relatively simple, even for beginners. Once installed, this horn will give your truck the unmistakable southern sound, ensuring you turn heads wherever you go. Key features: 5-trumpet design produces a full, rich sound that replicates the classic Dixie melody. Powerful 12V compressor ensures a loud and clear sound output. Easy to install, comes with all necessary installation hardware. Durable materials, built to withstand harsh weather conditions and heavy usage. Reliable performance, known for delivering a consistent and loud sound every time. Number 4, Farbin 12V Dixie Musical Air Horn. For those who want an affordable yet high-quality option, the Farbin 12V Dixie Musical Air Horn is a fantastic choice. This horn kit is designed specifically for truck owners who want to add a bit of flair to their vehicle with the iconic Dixie tune. The Farbin horn set includes 5 trumpets that are powered by a high-performance air compressor, ensuring the sound is both loud and clear. The trumpets are made from durable plastic materials, making this horn lightweight yet tough enough to withstand daily use. Installation is straightforward, with all the necessary components included in the kit. The Farbin 12V Dixie Musical Air Horn is compatible with any vehicle that uses a 12V system, which makes it ideal for trucks, SUVs, cars, and even RVs. The affordable price point makes this an excellent option for those on a budget who don't want to sacrifice quality. The loud, clear sound ensures your truck will be heard from a distance, giving it a bold and fun personality. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution that still offers impressive performance, the Farbin horn kit is worth considering. Key features: affordable, budget-friendly without compromising on quality. 5-trumpet design provides a loud, rich sound with classic Dixie melody. High-performance compressor delivers loud and clear sound at all times. Lightweight and durable, made from durable plastic materials that are built to last. Easy installation, comes with all necessary installation components. Number 5, Vixen Horns Dixie Musical Air Horn Kit. The Vixen Horns Dixie Musical Air Horn Kit is another top contender for truck owners looking to add a fun, southern flair to their ride. This horn kit is designed for those who want the classic Dixie sound with a powerful and loud output. The kit includes 5 trumpets that, when powered by the included air compressor, deliver a high-quality, rich rendition of the classic tune. This particular horn kit is known for its durability and high performance. The trumpets are made from a mix of metal and high-grade plastic, ensuring they can handle daily wear and tear. The air compressor is also robust, providing enough power to ensure the sound is consistently loud and clear. Whether you're driving in the city or out in the countryside, this horn will make sure your truck gets noticed. The Vixen Horns kit is easy to install, even for those with little to no experience in vehicle modifications. The kit comes with all necessary installation hardware and instructions, making the process simple and stress-free. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance Dixie horn kit for your truck, the Vixen Horn set is a fantastic choice. Key features: 5-trumpet set, delivers a full, rich sound that replicates the classic Dixie tune. Durable construction, made from a combination of metal and high-grade plastic for longevity. High-performance compressor, provides loud and clear sound output. Easy installation, comes with installation hardware and detailed instructions. Consistent sound quality, designed to deliver a strong and consistent sound every time. Conclusion. Installing a Dixie horn on your truck is a great way to add some personality and make your vehicle stand out. Whether you're looking for something affordable, compact, or powerful, the 5 Dixie horns listed above offer a variety of options to meet your needs. Each horn kit has its own unique features, from loud compressors to durable materials, ensuring long-term use and reliable performance. Be sure to consider your vehicle's size and your budget when selecting the best Dixie horn for your truck.